I'm here with Rylee.
This is Fan Mail Friday.
Good job. This first box isn't so much fan mail, but it's from Magigoo. And Magigoo, as you may or may not know, is an official sponsor of the channel. So within the box, there is not one, but 2 tubes of Magigoo. There's also, Rylee, look at these. These are like little Magigoo monsters.
They are.
Yeah, they're like keychains, right? Mm-hmm. Is there any more? I want to make sure I'm not missing any. Okay, and also in the box is a whole bunch of little Magigoo samples. And so that's cool as well. Ready? Mm-hmm. Hey Joel, this is Andy and Keith from Magigoo. Please accept this big and small Magigoo for your projects. We're adding 100 sample satchels in case you want to share them. Well, this is great. So how about this? I'm going to bring some of these with me anytime I go out. And if you see me, you can say, hey Joel, do you got any goo? If I do, I can then give you one. But if I don't, then I'm sorry. All I'll have to offer is a high five. But the Magigoo looks, it's just one of those little things. And you can use that to spread on your build plate. Works great. Andy and Keith, thank you so much. We're gonna put these back in the box because I don't want to lose them. I don't want to lose them.
Special.
Okay. Tell you what, we'll set this one right here. All right, Rylee, what's next?
Let's do this.
Okay. This is a letter from
Sydney.
We just want to say the first name. Who's it from?
Sydney.
Sydney. Okay. And inside, ooh, we have some stuff. We've got, there's a dollar bill.
Money.
There's another dollar bill. Here's a, oh, look at that. It's like a,
That's
like
cool.
like a maker coin. Let's see, what does it say? It says, Sid the Kid. This is Sid the Kid. Okay, ready? Mm-hmm. Hi, Joel. My name is Sydney, and I am a 13-year-old boy. I have been watching your videos for 4 months now, and I was so inspired by them, I decided to ask for a 3D printer for Christmas. The specific printer I asked for was the ANET A8. I have been having such a blast printing things from gumball machines to low-poly Moai heads. In the package, I have included my maker coin, which I designed in Tinkercad. I love your videos, and I'm excited to see what you have in store for us next. Have a great day. Sincerely, Sydney. P.S. What are your thoughts on the ANET A8? Oh ho ho. Oh ho ho. The ANET A8, I think, is one of those machines that's low cost. I think that if you have the chops to get it running well, you can. I think it takes some effort. I think that, unfortunately, ANET doesn't enable by default thermal runaway protection on the printers, and so you sort of have a ticking time bomb. So what you need to do is make sure you make your ANET A8 safe. I believe, I don't know if you can reflash new versions of the Marlin firmware on there that have the thermal runaway protection enabled, but look into making the heat bed connections stronger and getting some strain relief there. Maybe making a cable chain or putting a stiff piece of nylon filament along with the wiring bundle to stiffen it up. Just make your printer safer. All right, Sid the Kid with your awesome maker coin, designed in Tinkercad, thank you. I don't see a self-addressed stamped envelope, but I do have your address. So, first things first, Rylee, the cube, please.
The cube.
The cube. Okay, there we go. And I go like this and I go. All right, Rylee,
Yes.
Did you tell Sid the Kid what he has?
You get a sticker.
All right, Rylee, what's next? We have an envelope and we have a package. You want to save the package for last? You don't want to save the package for last?
Actually,
It's up
let's
to you.
save the package.
Okay, we'll do the envelope. This is from a Kevin. That's right, Kevin.
Hello, Kevin.
I think it's a 3D printed envelope. Feel that. Is it?
That's cool.
Is it? I don't know. It's sealed with blue tape. This knife should be able to get through it.
Special knife.
It's a sharp knife. Did you know someone sent it to me?
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Is that
Look
3D
at that.
printed?
No, the knife is not.
No.
But the envelope most certainly is. This is the first 3D printed envelope I've ever received. Thank you, Kevin.
That's a cool idea to do that.
I think it's a very cool idea.
Good idea, Kevin.
Wow, look at that. Oh, and there's a US $20 bill in there. That's crazy.
Wow.
Dear Joel, I have long been a designer of things, but I always felt that my drawing and fabrication skills were often the main impediment to actually bringing my ideas to the real world. I decided late last year that it would be a good time to change that paradigm. While researching 3D printers, I discovered your YouTube channel. Your videos, along with those from Angus of Maker's Muse, gave me the confidence to purchase a Prusa i3 Mark III. While I was waiting for it to arrive, I started to learn Fusion 360 based on your description of its power and usability. Learning the software was indeed easy and has helped me realize my potential as a maker. I now design and make my designs virtually every day and feel that I owe you a lot. Oh, isn't that cool? Mm-hmm. I also wanted to send you a donation for the Seattle Children's Hospital. Enclosed is $20. I look forward to seeing your next contribution and hope it's even more than last year. Keep up the good work and keep inspiring others. Sincerely, Kevin from Oklahoma City. P.S. I have enclosed a self-addressed stamped envelope and hope that you can send me a sticker. Also, feel free to mention the envelope in which this letter was contained. It's not really practical, but it was fun to design and print. Thanks again. I'm looking forward to a high five. Well, it's a 3D printed envelope. It's crazy. The designs on this are cool. Kevin, you outdid yourself.
It's so thin.
It's so thin. But there is $20 here in a self-addressed stamped envelope. Rylee, could you hand me the cube, please?
Here's the cube. You can put the money.
It's getting full.
That's good.
Yes, but we have to be able to...
Fit them.
There we go. Okay. All right, Rylee, what does Kevin get?
You get a sticker.
All right, Rylee, for this Fan Mail Friday, what's the last one?
This giant box.
That is a large box. It's from someone by the name of Forrest.
I like that name.
It's a good name. Let's open it up and let's find out what's on the inside of this box. Ready?
Very tightly sealed. There must be something good in it to be this tightly sealed.
Super good. Okay, ready, Rylee? I want you to tell them what's on the inside.
There looks to be a butt. And the front of the butt.
What is it?
It looks like a bull.
Okay.
It goes with
What is that? Use words. Come on.
There's
People want to know.
Redbull.
Yeah.
The Viking helmet
Well, I don't know. I think it goes to this.
with another Red Bull inside.
Okay, so this is cool. So if you look right here, this is a Stein that would then hold the Red Bull. It's in there pretty good. There's a little broken piece right here. So I will have to glue it. But I'll put it together and I'll get it glued up, and that's pretty cool. So this though, this looks to be a bull. So here's the tail, but I think a Red Bull goes in the middle. Grab a Red Bull. Let's see what happens. Okay, now the other one.
It's a freaking Red Bull.
It's a Red Bull. It's a Red Bull.
There.
It's a Red Bull. It's a Red Bull. It's a Red Bull. Oh my goodness, it's a Red Bull. So here's a self-addressed, stamped on, is it stamped? I think so. Yes,
It is.
it is, okay. And a $10 bill. That's crazy. Greetings from southern New Mexico. My name is Forrest. I started my 3D printing journey a couple of years ago. I have a degree in 3D game art. That's really cool. And love doing character art. As a stay-at-home dad and parent of two, one a 3-year-old boy, and the other an 8-month-old little baby girl, it's hard to find time to do much designing anymore. I still do what I can. I recently participated in a competition on my mini factory for the 250 milliliter can challenge. I designed 3 things. 2 of them I have sent to you, and I hope you like them. I added links below. I also added $10 for charity. I would just I'm going to put links to these because
they're awesome.
this is awesome. Remember that can crusher I did? This was the same competition.
Oh.
Yeah. I would like to say thanks to 3D printing. I do run a small business and go out to the local farmers and crafters market when I'm able to. I love explaining how the printing works. I bring my Creality Ender 2, which is a fantastic printer. I love sharing 3D printing with my local community, and in a large part, you are to thank for introducing it to me with your great content. Best wishes to you and your family, Forrest. And there are links to my Mini Factory models. I'll put those down in the description. This is incredible. Like I would print this.
You can feel like a king now.
You know what? I like this. I might print this in my High Five Blue.
That'd be cool.
That'd be cool. The Red Bull is just perfect, and I will glue this tail back on somehow. Maybe we can do the toothpick trick. Remember where we put the toothpick in? Yeah.
Where I was sick.
That's right. All right. Well, Forrest, this is amazing. But Rylee, could you pass the cube, please?
I can.
Thank you. I don't know if it's going to fit. Okay. Rylee, I see a self-addressed stamped envelope.
I do too.
What should you put in it for Forrest?
You get a sticker.
Well, looks like Rylee and I are done for today. Thanks for helping me out, Rylee.
You're welcome.
Do myself and Rylee a favor and go into the description and click a couple links. Those help the channel. Those help me buy some art supplies for Rylee, who's a very good artist, and maybe she'll do another drawing stream someday. Maybe. But for now, don't forget to hug each other more, because I love you guys. As always,
High five.
High five.
I was late. I mean early. Should we redo that?
No. This is awesome.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. You want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
Okay. As always,
High
five. Nailed it.
Yay!